Hi, my name is Mitch Ferris, and a lot of people have been asking about how to cut your hair during this COVID crisis. I was wondering myself, and then I remembered this invention called the Flowbee from many, many years ago, and it's a hair cutting device that attaches to your vacuum cleaner with a hose, and then you turn it on, and it has several fittings that adjust to the size that you want to cut your hair to. And so basically it's a hair cutting device that plugs in, and you snap on the fittings depending on the length of your hair that you'd like. You plug it in, you cut your hair. The blades never get anywhere close to your skin or your hair, and it really works well. And we're going to demonstrate it. Okay, so we're back with the Flowbee, and the Flowbee attaches to any vacuum cleaner. You can fit right into your vacuum, or they give you a little rubber band, like a giant rubber band, and it just hooks on any size vacuum. And once you attach it, super easy, it's ready to go. And then you just have to plug in the Flowbee with the electric cord, and then find the attachment that you'd like. The first thing you do, you start off with the top of your head, and I'm going to snap on this larger fitting here. It's a straight fitting, and when I turn on the Flowbee, I'm just going to bounce it in a bouncing motion. It's going to suck the hair into the Flowbee and cut it. And you can check the size that you want by putting this device up next to your hair and checking how much hair you're going to cut off. You find the size you want, you pop it on, you turn on the Flowbee, and then you do the top first, and then you do the sides, and then the lower sides in the back. It works. The Flowbee. It sucks while it cuts.